Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cluck from Fortnite, so let's get started. To draw this cute Easter chicken skin, let's first start by drawing a big dome for the top of the hat. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm just going to go all the way up, nice and high. And about right there, come right back down. So we're just drawing the top of our egg hat here. So I'm going to come back to about the same level, and then from there I'm going to go ahead and come in here with a bunch of zigzags. It's the only one that I want about the same as these two right here at the ends. But then from there you can go ahead and crack this egg helmet however you like. Okay, so just a few zigzags. We're gonna go up, and I'll come right back in here and draw a circle for some detail. And I'm going to extend these cracks. Let's see here. And maybe a small little one right there. And there's some pattern on the eggshell, so I'll come right here and just draw this main one. It's just a curve. Thicken this up. Or you can just do this when you're coloring if you don't want this harsh black line. And then the top one has a bunch of points, so go right across there. Okay, so now the egg has been decorated. Let's come to the side right here, and I'm going to come in a little bit, and I'm going to start to draw a bunch of curves for the feathers on the sides. So same thing here. So I'm just going to go a little bit, come out a little bit wider as we go down here and there. Now that we have the side of the head drawn in, let's come back in here. We're going to draw the beak and the eyes. So come down in the center, about right here, not too far, a little bit about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw this little oval right here in the center, round it off, and connect. Very delicate. And then inside, I'm going to draw a very slight curve. And then to the sides, we're going to draw oval for the eyes. So about right here. Draw a little oval, and I'll come in here with a highlight and shade everything else in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. There, so cute, right? Let's come above the eye, and we're just going to draw a soft curve. From there, let's come back to this area right here, this angle, and I'm going to draw a strap for our helmet. I'm going to come down, and about right there, I'll end it, and connect. So same thing here. Draw this one coming this way. Just give it some flow and connect. And for some details, I'll just come in here really quickly. Draw these lines and one over here. Okay, so then now that we have that and we know, we're going to bring this down more. So we're going to just start to draw a bunch of feathers on both sides. And we're going to want to frame the bottom part, so let's come down a little bit more, and now about the same level I'm going to go ahead and draw these bottom feathers, so back and forth, and it's going to be lower towards the center. So I'm just going to go ahead, sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller, and now I'm going to switch positions and go this way, switch directions I mean, and connect. So that's just the basic feathers, but just make sure you're kind of at an angle. From there, I'm going to very lightly come in here and do the same thing, just some indication of more feathers. So here and there. So sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller. There, it just gives us some more texture. You can bring these lines in a little bit more. And that is pretty much it for the head. So now to draw the body, I'm going to come right underneath. Let's say about right here on both sides. So say about right here and here. And I'll go ahead and draw this slight angle line down. And bring it down a little bit more. About right there, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So when I connect it right here, it's going to be the bottom of this shell. So I'm going to come right across, and once again, a bunch of zigzags just to make it look like it's cracked. There's no right or wrong way, just I want to give it a bunch of zigzags and come right back across, but you still want it at a curve. Then from there, I'm going to continue this angle down. And let's see here, come down. So about right here, this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right in the center. From there, I'm going to go ahead and connect this. So right here, I'll just add a little bit of a crack. And same thing here, and here and there for his pants. Okay, so then from there, let's draw his chicken legs. So I'm going to come out right here. Draw a little angle, some feathers, come out right here, soft, and then we're just going to bring it down. So it's going to get thinner as we come down, so really muscular here, but very thin right here. And same thing over here. Here and there, little feather, and same thing here. And in. So then as we come to this point, we're just going to come in here once again and draw a bunch of angles for feathers. Then from there, let's bring this down. So we're going to start to draw his chicken legs. Now it's going to be nice and thin. We're going to come down. And before I keep going down, I'm going to come right here and stop with this little eggshell knee pad. So I'm just going to draw a curve, little angle. Oh, you know what? Let me make this little part right there. And then in this area right here, I'm going to bring out this little hook area for his legs. And bring it down. And connect. I forgot what this is called on the rooster, on the chicken. Okay, so then from there, connect it. So same thing over here. So we're just still at angle. This one, let's make it a little bit simpler. Just angle. And down. The knee pad. And then once again, same thing. This little spur that comes out. And the feet. So let's work on this foot first. A pair of socks. It keeps coming down right here. And then right here, I'm going to stop and draw his shoes. Come out. So I'm totally simplifying this part right here and in. And let's come right here. And add some detail. So same thing over here, except this side is a little bit different. Okay, this is a pair of socks. This part is actually part of the boot. So I'm going to keep coming down. One more, and then the boot. So we just want to end at the same level as the other side. There. And once again, some detail. That's totally simplified. And I forgot to draw a line right here. Okay, finally done with his feet. And let's come right here. I almost forgot, we're gonna have to, well, you know what? Let's draw the arms first before I go into that detail. Let's come back right here and we're gonna make them nice and muscular. So about right here, we're gonna draw a curve that comes out. So this is the plate over his shoulder. And let's bring this in. Once again, give it some cracks. And I almost forgot. Let's come back in here. We need to draw a strap right here. So I'm kind of like where his armpits would be. And then you can go ahead and finish off this. And I'm going to add some stripes right here. And let's finish this part right here. So it's come down just like the legs. There's some feather. And then come in here. We're going to give it a little bend. The elbow. Come in with the arm. And then we're going to cut it off for his gloves. So I'm just going to bring this all the way down and out. And for some details, and a strap right here, and then maybe some indication of fingers. Oh, okay, it's getting complicated, right? So once again, just like the other side, about right here, and about right here. I'm gonna come out, and let's bring in this strap first. I totally forgot. On the other side, and then once again, same thing. We're gonna pop out some feathers. So hopefully I'm helping you better on this side. And once again, some feathers and the shell. I'm just gonna put that in there. And now for the elbow right here, just like the other side, bend it a little bit and come in. And the gloves. So come down, down, angle, out. And so once again, same thing. I'm just going to put in the same details. And one here. There. And let's see here. Now we have two stripes we need to draw right here, two straps. Let's come out. So now I'm just going to go in with some details really fast. And he has a dog tag right here. So I'm going to come in this area and just draw chain, thicken it up, and then I'll draw the tags right here. So just like a rounded off rectangle, two of them. And for some more details, let's see here, we can add some more crack lines on. There, and there's also stripe and pattern. So now it's getting really complicated. But hopefully I'm helping you out with this. I'll do this really quick. Okay, so then now there's some egg stuff right here, or some Easter eggs, right? So I'll come right here and just draw two ovals right next to each other. And I'll put a strap on them. And right here, go ahead and draw a strap and one more. And some lines for some buckle indication. And now to draw some indication of feathers, you can go ahead and just draw a bunch of these curves here and there. Maybe some here. So we know this Cluck here is full of feathers, right? And some here. Sorry if I feel like I'm rushing this or I'm taking too long, but hopefully that is pretty much it and I haven't forgotten anything. Oh, and there's also pattern here. I should go ahead and draw that now. Let's see here. And one more. Okay, that's it. No more details. I really hope you love how this Cluck from Fortnite turned out and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.